Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to send a cute gift box to your friends in Butterbear event. First, you need to buy a wrapping paper, and if you don't know how to get it yet, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions below to watch the tutorial. And once you have the wrapping paper, just open your backpack and then just tap on the wrap paper item, and then just tap on the wrap like this, and then next just choose the item that you want to give as a gift. Right now you can only give music CDs or books that you own, and other items are not spreaded yet, and then just pick one item and wait for the wrapping process to finish like this. And to send it, just tap on the heart icon above your friend's character, and then just select the gift that you want to send, and then keep in mind that the gifting is only available when your friendship reaches relationship level 3, and then after that your character will play a cute animation holding the gift box like this. And now all you need to do is wait for your friends to accept the gift, and that's it. That's how to send a beautiful gift box to your friends in Butterbear event in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.